Hello everyone, I am Sajay Kumar, Product Marketing from Region EMEA. I am really excited to bring this new case excavator for the Indian market. Presenting 220C machine which is totally built in India, manufactured in Pithampur plant. These machines are designed for very toughest application including quarries, marble and granite. Having tested for over 4,000 hours, now let me walk through the key features of this magnificent machine. As you can see, we have heavy duty structures. We have the boom here. You can see the thickness of the plate, which is thick as compared to the other machines that are being produced in India. Now coming to the arm, we have this again a very thick plates which have been used here. And you can see these strip plates. We have 3 strip plates and additional plate kept here to see or use in any application including marbles and granite block handling. So this machine is of course designed for one of the toughest application that can happen across countries or across EMEA region which is possible. Now again coming to the linkage, we have a very heavy duty linkage, very thick plate here. Next is the buckets. The buckets, we have 4 different types of bucket which are available. 2 from the heavy duty side and 2 from general purpose, ranging from 0.9 cubic meter to 1 cubic meter. The side cutters are optional, and these are the tooth points. We have different tooth points available for heavy duty as well as general purpose application. So we have standard as well as LC track. So standard has got 7 rollers and LC has got 8 rollers at the bottom. Then we have track guides, as you can see here. So we have an option of 1 and 3 track guides. Now let's come to the side cabinet here. You can easily open this and very easily you can lock here. Then you can see this very spacious cabinet. You have enough space available for any service operations that can be done. And we have an airflow, the airflows which directs the air towards. And then we have all the filters. You can see here which is easily accessible from the ground level. So we have one single counterweight. We have all these structures which you can see all are well covered so that no dust can enter inside or the stones can enter inside. This is a super tropical machine. Super tropical means machines can work up to 55 degrees Celsius ambient temperature. And when you open this, we have these radiators and the AC coolers been positioned in line, which makes it easy. This can be removed very easily. Then we have this rubber structure over these batteries. Again, it is an additional safety feature. Then the operator or anybody can use this battery cutoff switch for whenever they are going to work. And then the air filter, which also can be mounted or taken out from the ground level itself. So everything has been ensured that all the work can be done from the ground level itself, and keeping a view on the safety as well as an easy